Hello and welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I will show you how to change your default WordPress login URL. To log into your WordPress dashboard, you type in your web address followed by wp-admin or wp-login.php. The problem is that anyone can do the same to locate it or hack your website for any reason. The good news is that there is a free and easy way to change your login URL to something entirely different to prevent that without affecting any core files. By the end of this tutorial, you will know two things: how to change the location of your admin login page and how to set a redirection URL for anyone who tries to access your default admin pages. I will now switch to my dashboard to show you how to do it. From your dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New Plugin. When this page opens, type in WPS Hide Login into the search box on the right. This plugin has excellent reviews, has more than 1 million installations, was updated 1 day ago as of creating this video, and is compatible with my WordPress version. Click Install Now and then Activate to add it to your WordPress security arsenal. Now go to Settings and select General. Scroll to the bottom of the page where you will find this newly created WPS Hide Login section. In the first box, where login is written by default, you can enter whatever you want using lowercase letters and numbers. Just do not use capital letters and special characters. For demonstration only, I will enter elephant. You can leave the second box as 404 to redirect to the page that says Error 404, page not found. For fun, I will enter the permalink to my About page to see how it works. Whatever you do, write down your changes before you click the Save Changes button, as these changes are permanent. I wrote mine and I will click the Save Changes button. You will see a message at the top of the page that your login page has been changed to, in my case, aleconline.com/elephant. I will now log out to see how these changes work. The first change has already been made and the login URL for this page is now aleconline.com/elephant. Let's see what will happen when I enter the old permalink wp-admin. It will show my About page, meaning both changes work perfectly. If for any reason you don't want to use this plugin anymore, or have found another plugin you would like to use that does the same thing, go to your installed plugins page, deactivate it and delete it. The default settings will be returned as they were before the installation of the WPS Hide Login plugin. And that's it! Now you know how to change your WordPress login URL and add an additional level of security to your website. Like all my other tutorials, I did my best to make this one beginner-friendly and easy to understand. Please let me know if I succeeded by liking it or subscribing to my channel. This will also make it easier for others who want to learn how to change their default WordPress login URL to find this video and this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below this video. Remember, there are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.